I've personally tried these 6 brand new side hustles that will make you over $300 a day while hiding behind your computer. Starting with a design service subscription. I'm talking about creating a subscription that people subscribe to on a monthly basis. So imagine this, that there are creators all over the world. Everyone's now trying to start their own online business and they desperately need design elements for their businesses. But most people don't have the time or the skills. You simply reach out to them, offering them a monthly package with maybe logo creation, social media templates, thumbnails, and more. They get gorgeous designs, you get paid for your amazing skills, all of this without ever having to show your face anywhere. With a design service subscription, you simply set a fixed monthly price for your services, say $300 a month, and your clients can have their design needs taken care of without having to worry about every single detail. Now, the advantage for customers in purchasing a design subscription service is that they get regular access to fresh and high quality designs that are tailored to their needs without the hassle of finding and hiring a designer for every single project they have. With a subscription, they can save time and money while ensuring consistent and professional design work for their projects. So how much can you make with a design subscription service? Companies are charging a wide range of prices out there. And when I started this, I saw prices from $2.99 per month all the way up to almost $10,000 per month. And that depends on the package that they offered. So if you're just starting out, you could charge whatever you want because it's your business and there are very minimal expenses that you have to pay. And if this is a business that you're considering, do let me know in the comments below, because I would definitely consider subscribing to your service because it's a huge lifesaver. So comment DSS in the comments for design service subscription and I'll be sure to follow up. Ever heard of ASMR? Autonomous sensory meridian response. Yes, that is a thing. So basically, it's the tingly feeling you get from certain sounds. And guess what? There's a huge market for calming, introverted friendly ASMR content. Imagine creating videos of yourself whispering, tapping on objects, or crinkling paper. People pay good money for these sounds that help them to relax and de-stress. So you can even create themed ASMR content like role plays or nature soundscapes. Listen, this is your chance to turn your love of peace and quiet into a profitable side hustle. Here's how you can get started with this. You first need to identify your niche. So determine what types of ASMR content you want to create. This could include whispering, tapping, scratching sounds, role plays, or any other triggers that you enjoy and excel at. You want to invest in high quality recording equipment such as a good microphone, headphones to ensure clear and crisp audio for your ASMR videos. Now, you also need to create a relaxing environment. Set up a quiet and comfortable space for recording your ASMR videos. Consider using soft lighting, comfortable seating, props to enhance the relaxing atmosphere. You also want to experiment with different ASMR triggers and techniques to develop your own unique style. You also want to build your online presence. How do you do that? You could create a YouTube channel or other social media platforms where you can share your ASMR videos without your face, of course. Then you want to monetize your content. Once you've built a following, you explore different monetization options for your content. This could include ad revenue from platforms like YouTube, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or offering exclusive content through Patreon or other membership platforms. Stay consistent and keep experimenting. That is key. It is key to growing your side hustle. Becoming a freelance writer might be perfect for you. There is endless of demand for content creators across the web to craft website copy, blog posts, even scripts for explainer videos. all of these things you can do without ever leaving your home. But wait, I'm not talking about your normal freelance writing gig that we always hear about, like those blog posts or website copy. I'm talking about having a specific focus, like writing narratives specifically designed for virtual reality experiences. So in the world of VR, virtual reality, storytelling takes on a whole new dimension, and this is the one we're talking about: writing virtual reality stories. Users are not just reading words on a screen. They are fully immersed in a digital world where they can interact with the characters and the environments. So your job as a freelance VR writer would be to create compelling narratives that guide users through these immersive experiences. It offers a chance to be at the forefront of a quickly growing industry while it still keeps you behind the computer at the comfort of your own home. So VR writing rates can vary depending on your experience. It also depends on the complexity of the project and your client's budget, how much they're willing to spend. But in a ballpark range, for example, the entry level could be anywhere from $25 to $50 per hour, or in the mid-range, $50 to $100 per hour. As you gain more experience, you can earn $100, $200 plus per hour writing complex storylines and working on high-profile VR projects. Now, to earn more, remember there's always a way to earn more money. To earn more, you should consider specializing in a particular VR niche. For example, educational VR or gaming narratives, and that will help you stand out from the crowd. Becoming a data organizer, or it's also called data specialist, that might be your perfect side hustle. Remember, the world runs on data, and if you have an analytical mind and you enjoy meticulous work, consider online data entry or data analysis jobs. Data. Now, these roles often require independent work with minimal interaction. It is perfect if you're an introvert, you just want to be behind your computer. For example, Appen is a global leader in artificial intelligence training data, and this company hires remote workers for data entry and annotation tasks. So this allows people to contribute to the development of AI without needing any extensive social interaction. As a data organizer or data specialist, you will help businesses keep their information squeaky clean. So you would tackle messy data sets, you ensure everything is categorized and is easily accessible. So this is a job that you can do remotely and again with minimal client interaction. So how much can you make doing this? You can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour, but it depends on experience and always the complexity of projects. The beauty of this business and what I really love is that it's practically free to start. All you need is a computer with good internet access and some basic training in data management software. And that training is often provided by your clients. You can research online courses or certification to boost your skills and to land your first data organization side hustle. For example, Kaggle, that's a popular platform for data science and machine learning. This company offers data curation challenges and competitions. It allows people with their side hustles like you, data enthusiasts, to hone their skills and to potentially earn recognition within the data science community. So that would be a good place to start. Now, since it is a specialized skill, you can generally charge more than basic virtual assistant tasks. So it is more than just being a virtual assistant. On a freelance platform, you can make about $50 per hour. Upwork or Fiverr would give you that. Or if you're a direct contractor, you can earn way more than that if you target data agencies or specific established clients. You can sell your images online through stock photo websites. As a side hustle, you can create stunning visuals without needing models or elaborate setups. Okay, forget the generic photos. You can excel in niche stock photography. You can focus on a niche like historical reenactment costumes. Now, what is that? Historical reenactment costumes are outfits that people wear to dress up like folks from the past. Now, imagine someone wearing a knight's armor or a pioneer's dress. You can create a targeted library of stock photos that stand out from the generic crowd. So this allows you to leverage your knowledge and your passion while you're avoiding the oversaturated markets with generic stock photos. Because let's face it, the market is so oversaturated. So you have to niche down to the specific ones that I'm talking about. Now, to take it to the next level, you want to become a curator of that. You not just want to be a photographer. You can offer to take photos of their collections or events in exchange for exclusive access or usage rights. Now, this way you curate a unique collection that caters directly to a specific audience. Don't just upload individual photos. Okay, here's a key. You want to develop themed collections around specific topics within your niche. For example, a collection of historical medical instruments could be broken down into sub-collections focusing on surgery, diagnosis, or specific medical disciplines. Now, this makes your content even more valuable to buyers. Now, here's a possible range of earnings with this photography side hustle. The beginner range starts anywhere from $25 to $75 per hour, and that's a common rate for starting freelance photographers. In the middle, you can earn from $75 to $150 per hour. That's with a developed and established niche. On the advanced side, $150 plus per hour is easily attainable. But it doesn't end there. You can create additional income streams. For example, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like im.com, and that is able to generate passive income. You just do it once and you leave it there for month after month after month. Imagine buying a fantastic ebook on a topic you're passionate about, but with the ability to resell it and keep the profits. That's the power of MRR. What is MRR? Master Resell Rights. You purchase the rights to resell a digital product like an ebook, a video course, or software, and you brand it as your own. Think affiliate marketing, but 100 times more profitable. For example, Amazon offers one of the most popular affiliate programs. Commissions vary depending on the product category, but typically it ranges from 1% to 10%. So for every $100 camera you promote and someone buys through your affiliate link, you could earn $1 to $10. That's okay. You would need to have a large audience buying from your link for you to make a living wage with Amazon. Let's be honest. Most of us aren't there yet. But with master resale rights, you purchase the product yourself. Then once you resell it, you make 100% of the profit. Not 50%, not 30%, not 10%, not 1%, 100%. Now, if you ask me, that's a super deal. And what's sweeter is that you get to use the product as many times as you want. Master resale rights have been a game changer. I don't need to create products from scratch. Instead, I find someone who already did all the hard work for me. They created the high quality content that aligns with my interests, and I simply purchase it and I resell it to my audience. It's a win-win. If this sounds like something you would want to do, comment MRR below and I'll send you a free guide on how you can get started today. Now, what I really love about this is the fact that there's no product creation. I can avoid the overwhelm of creating digital products myself. So instead, I simply use or leverage what is already out there, high quality content that resonates with my audience. With this side hustle, I can work from anywhere. So how can you take your master resale rights business to the next level. First, you need to find your niche. You don't just resell anything. This allows you to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Then you need to build an email list. This way you capture email addresses from people who are interested, and then you can market to them later on. Also, you want to offer additional value. So what I do with my MRR products is that I sell the product as is, but I add on additional value. So I would give my clients perhaps 30 minutes with me one-on-one for free, or an hour with me going through the course with them for free. Now, master resale rights are just one option for seeking online success, and in my opinion, it's one of the best out there if you find the right digital product. With a bit of determination and discipline, you can make any of these 6 side hustles work for you.